G'day, I'm Chris, a Kiwi bee man. Today we're revisiting the Beekeeper's plastic frame cleaner. So when I did my last video about that, I showed you the wooden prototype that we mocked up just to see if it was going to work, if the concept's going to work. The first stainless steel model has arrived and has been run through its paces. I'll show you some footage of that, and it's going great. So I just walk away from there, from the wind and from the water blaster, working away, and have a chat to you about where we're at with this. Stephen's so busy with his new toy he doesn't want to turn it off. So this machine is now working, it's in commercial production. The unit that you can see in this video has got wide splayed out legs for extra stability. That's the unit Stephen had made for himself. The ones that are going to be sold are not going to be flat pack, as I said in the last video. I'm wrong about that. Stephen's decided that's too cheap. It's better to be properly welded together. So it's all been TIG welded with stainless steel 316. The splayed out legs on that model are going to be cut square to make shipping easier. What more can I say?